you know what is in this box.
Now, it also looks kind of dark here, so I'm not sure if I should turn on the video light or not. Guess I will. Yeah, I suppose that looks a little bit better. I'm kind of shaking my setup. Anyways, let's not spend too much time doing the setup because we want to see what's in the box. That's why you clicked on the video in the first place. Duh! Obviously. Did I? Yeah. No, something tells you I have this in the wrong direction. Oh my gosh, that's such a feeling. You know what? Let's just from here. Yeah, so make sure everything's in the frame as well, so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Can you see it yet? No, you can't. Okay. You'll see it real soon because I can see it. Okay. Something tells you I should have probably positioned the camera much further from this so we can have everything in the frame. Kind of a shame I don't have my thing with me at the moment. And there we go. That gives it away. That just gives it right away. Okay, again. Wish everything could be in this frame, but the Q10 has a very small frame, so there's only so much I can do. Alright, let's put this knife away so that I do not hurt myself. And there we go. Lightning to USB cable, 2 meters. You see the Apple logo, so you know what's coming up soon. You know exactly what's coming up. Can we get this to focus a little bit better? Okay, 2 meters. Nothing exciting there. And, what is this? Oh, this is a power adapter. You know, this light is doing some weird things. Now it looks like it's flickering from green to white, and it's just looking really weird. Perhaps I should shut the video line and see if it stops doing weird things. Okay, there we go. That's much better. That's so much better. It doesn't look so darn weird anymore. All these bubbles. Wait a second. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it, actually. Oh, the package is so carefully. So for entertainment purposes, I'll probably just pop these. Okay. Now, if you're wearing headphones, that's gonna obviously sound very terrifying. That's gonna probably like damage your eardrum, or your cochlea, or whatever. So, hope you weren't hearing headphones at that moment. Because if you were, then. Okay, anybody that's listening to this right now must be like, you know what, I'm too scared to continue watching this video. This video is gone from being just a regular Apple unboxing video to this psychopath. So, yeah, let me show this on camera so you can see what I'm doing. Now we're going to open this. Make sure it's all good and everything, you know. Actually, do I really need to open this on camera? Actually, yeah, I do. The only problem is I don't know if I'll get to successfully do it. Because this thing is being a bit of a pain in the butt. But then again, they kind of have to make it somewhat tamper-proof. That also makes it a bit of a pain when it finally gets to the user. But at the same time, if it starts to pry your hands, then I guess that's what it just does. Oh, there's an arrow. There it is. Can you see it? Yeah, it's right there. Not only did I miss the arrow, I had this thing out of the frame. Gosh darn it, I hate this Q10's tiny frame. Lumia, why did you have to get lost? Why? Alright, here we go. Okay, what is this? Oh yeah, it's a power adapter. And that's that. If anything ever went out of frame, I do apologize for that. Okay, USB power adapter. This is an instruction manual. No, I was not going to go through all of that. What am I doing here, fiddling with this thing out of the frame? Here, that's that. Let's take a look at the other thing. And again, there's an arrow that I did not pay attention to, so let me focus this thing so we can get a better look at that. Oh, there's another one it's doing because of the lighting. Oh, come on. I don't want to see blurry text. There we go, that's better. No, that looks like French, German, Portuguese, English again, and then of course Japanese. So wait, how come they have Japanese and they don't have Korean and Chinese? Wow, that's so insulting. Oh well, who cares about the Chinese and the Koreans, right? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Please do not take any offense to that. Well, actually, you can tell I'm joking. Don't worry. You don't have anything against you Chinese or Koreans or anybody for the matter. Because you know what? Maybe it's obvious, maybe it's not, but I am not racist. Like, seriously, I'm not. I don't have any problem with different ethnic groups. I really don't. Okay. Now, I removed this arrow and I still can't get into the box, and then I just took it out of frame, so that's not good. No, come on. We want to see this. We need to make sure it's not, like, just coal inside this box. You know, this is very difficult to do, so I might just probably forget about it. And the camera's being a bit of a pain with the focusing because now it just looks grainy. Okay, that looks good now. But seriously, I don't know. Should I bother with this? Actually, I have to stop doing that. I have to stop doing that. If I'm going to go in there, I have to go in there. I can't just keep saying, should I not? Should I not? No. That's not what you guys are here. Let's turn the flashlight again so we can see. Now, this is 2 meters long, as we can so obviously tell. And that's that. For fun and giggles, actually, I was going to say, let me stick this in the BlackBerry, then I just meant I can't because it's the same phone I'm obviously recording with, so you're not going to be able to see it. Joy. Now, I think this is about it, so I can probably call it quits this video, although I won't, because I just want to drag it out for the purpose of just dragging out so I can make it as long as possible. Why do I want to make it as long as possible? Well, just for the act of trolling, that's why. Kidding. I'm going to put this back. Now, obviously, you don't have to watch me putting it back. You probably stopped watching this point already. Ever since I just announced that I was about to troll, you probably stopped watching. And if you did, well, then you can consider yourself an intelligent person. Yay! Whatever. Okay. Again, I need to try and keep these things. Actually, no, this goes in here first. And this will go in here. Goes out of frame for a moment. Okay, that's done. Now, can't quite get this to stick in. That's okay. And that is officially it. Let me show them one more time. So, the power adapter, and it's looking green because of the light. You already know what they look like. There's no point in boring you. But anyways, now, of course, you can get these directly from the official Apple Store or another authorized vendor. Let me stress that again. An authorized vendor. Be careful where you get this from. You don't want to just get this from any random site. You want to make sure that they're authorized. And for my case, I got these from Best Buy. And they do happen to be authorized vendor, as you may or may not know. Some of you obviously know, but for those of you that have no idea what Best Buy is, then yes, they are an authorized vendor. So, and that's where I got mine. Well, you can get it from any other authorized vendor. It doesn't have to be Best Buy. It can even be the Apple Store directly. But for me, I just decided to go with Best Buy because that was just what was most convenient for me at the time. Now, I can finally call it quits to this video, and I am out. Did you like this video? Do you keep your charging equipment handy? Comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, read my blog for information, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls at the top right corner in the eye circle. And these outro songs, you know the drill already. Run away and don't listen to them. Makes you wonder why I even put them there in the first place. Well, they're just there. You have the choice. You can listen to them or you cannot listen to them. I suspect that 99% of you do not listen to them, and now I need to shut up and get out. I'm out now.